Can recaulking succeed when silicone residue remains on the surface? When recaulking, adhesion depends on removing all existing silicone because new silicone will not adhere reliably to old silicone. Start by softening the old bead with a silicone-safe solvent or by gently heating with a hairdryer until the caulk becomes pliable. Then use a rigid plastic scraper to lift most of it. Avoid metal tools that can gouge the substrate. After bulk removal, scrub the joint with a lint-free cloth soaked in isopropyl alcohol to dissolve thin films and invisible residues. Repeat with fresh cloths until no oily smears remain. For painted or delicate surfaces, test a small area first to ensure the solvent does not damage the finish, and use a fine abrasive pad only when safe. Ensure the joint is completely dry and free of dust by wiping with a dry cloth and letting it sit for at least 15 minutes in normal conditions before applying new silicone. Use a quality silicone primer if the manufacturer recommends it for improved adhesion to porous materials like concrete or grout, and apply caulk in one continuous motion with steady pressure, tooling the bead within 5 minutes to ensure proper contact. Cure the new sealant at the temperature and humidity specified on the cartridge. Inadequate cure time is a frequent cause of early failure. Common mistakes include assuming visible removal is enough and skipping residue cleaning, which leads to poor bonding and early peel back. Fix this by using alcohol and repeated wiping until no residue transfers. Another issue is using metal tools that score the substrate and create leak paths. Prevent that by using plastic scrapers and gentle heat to lift the old silicone. A third concern is recaulking onto a damp or dusty surface, which traps moisture and prevents adhesion. Always dry and dust-free the joint, and allow the recommended drying time after cleaning before applying new silicone. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a community discussion forum where we share project tips and contractor experiences related to recaulking and other adhesion issues. We help contractors find work by letting them engage with local homeowners and answer practical questions in our discussion community.